Hi guys, this is your boy Prince underscore PNM. In this video, I'm going to teach the basics of how to use Metatrader and a few basics of how the currencies work. So let's say we'd like to change your chart to white, your chart background to white. You'd like to change the candlestick color. You'd like to check if the period separators do work, or you want to remove the period separators. I'll show that in this video right now. I would also teach the spreads, the currencies. So you go to settings, come to settings, candlesticks, make sure that it's on candlesticks. This is your chart type, so candlestick depending on what type of chart you like. Then period separators, these are the period separators. They actually separate days, or they separate weeks, they might separate months. So if you can check your chart right now, see, now it has been separated into actually months. If you can check, come to H1, it is separated into days. So a period separator, it is used to separate days, months, and weeks. So I don't like adding period separator, so I remove it. To remove it, come back again, settings. You'd like to change the background of your color, change it to white. Then whenever you change your background, make sure that the foreground is also changed. Since the foreground is white, we have to change it to black or gray so that the writings on your chart are much clearer. Because if the foreground is not changed, let me show an example. Let's say we leave the foreground to white. See, you'd not be able to see the price on the side. But then if we change it to black, we'll be able to see the writings on the side. And also bear in mind that you need to change your grid. Your grid needs to be white to avoid having those blocks. You will see how your chart will look right now. And then change your foreground to black or light black. Sweet. Very clean. Come back, settings. You'd like to change your candlestick color. Let's say we want to change the bullish color, because there's no way you can change the bearish color. You can change it, but the most preferred color for bearish is red. So we're gonna click bar up, make sure, and bull candlestick, blue, done. Sweet. So I would like to explain the currency pairs. So I'll first start with these pairs, these big three pairs, which is NAS 100, US 500, US 30. NAS 100 means that there are 100 companies that are investing in this stock. So there are 100 companies that control this pair. They have an impact on this pair. And then US 500 simply means 500 companies are investing in this stock. And US 30 simply means there are 30 companies in this stock. So it's very important to watch the news based on NAS 100. If you are trading NAS 100, to watch news based on US 500. If you are trading US 500, watch news based on US 30 if you are trading US 30. And then let's go into currencies. We will start with USD CHF. Looking at USD CHF, USD itself means dollar. The dollar is against the Swiss franc, which is CHF. The dollar is our base currency, and CHF is our code currency. And then we see something there at the bottom written spread 24. Spread is actually what plays a major role on your pair, because every time when you place a trade, you will always find it on negative. Every time when you place a trade, whether you are selling or buying, it always starts with negative. It's because of the spread. Spread is like the price that you are charged to place a trade. If I can put it that way, I think in that way it's simpler. It is the price you are charged to place a trade. And then Let's go deeper. USD is your base currency, meaning that when USD is rising like this, it means that it is stronger than CHF. The dollar is stronger than the Swiss franc. And then when Swiss franc is actually selling like this, when USD CHF is actually selling, it means that the Swiss franc is actually stronger than the dollar. It has more strength than the dollar. I will explain further. Looking at gold, this pair is called Shao USD. Looking at gold, since gold is our base currency, it means that the dollar is our code currency. Remember on the previous pair, the dollar was our base currency, but on this pair, the dollar is our code currency. Meaning that when the market is rising like this, it means that gold has more power over the dollar. And when the market is falling, it means that the dollar has gained strength and it is more powerful than the gold. It has gained strength over gold. That's it from me, guys. Let's go to the next step. If you'd like to find indicators, trend line, this is a trend line. Helps you to find the trend of the market. Horizontal line, this is a horizontal line, which makes you determine the support and resistance. You just click on the chart. If you want to find indicators, you click on this pattern that looks like shapes. You click plus, come here, you click horizontal line, click your horizontal line again. Okay, then let's say you'd like to place a trade. Come here, say plus, then you decrease the lot size. In the middle, it's our lot size. So it is recommended for a beginner to use 0.01. Then in this space here is our stop loss. So if you are buying, make sure that your stop loss is lower than the current price. This is our current price, 1851.27. It's our current price. This is where the market is right now. And then let's say you want to buy. You placing a stop loss helps you to prevent from blowing your account. Helps you prevent your account from being blown. So you have to place your stop loss to be lower than the current price, since it was 185127. So we decrease it to 1810. And then your TP, this side is your TP. On your TP, you have to increase. This is your current price. On your TP, you have to increase. So you can place 900, so which becomes 1900. And then when you are selling, make sure that your TP decreases. Your TP decreases, for example, 1700. And then your stop loss has to increase. Becomes 1900. Okay, then you either place buy or sell, and then you are good to go. Market execution. If you'd like me to explain buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop, please comment on the section below. Guys, this is your boy, the founder of Elan's Empire. I'm signing out. Thank you.